Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file KRA returns if you have a withholding certificate. First, ensure you have your KRA PIN and tax password ready. Next, gather all your income statements and the actual withholding certificate. This certificate is crucial as it proves tax has already been deducted from your earnings. Finally, log into the KRA tax portal to begin the process. Once logged in, navigate to the Returns menu and select File Return. Choose the appropriate income tax return type, usually individual. Before proceeding, meticulously verify all details on your physical withholding certificate. Ensure the tax withheld amount, the certificate number, and the period covered are accurate and match your other financial documents. This step prevents discrepancies later. Now, within the tax return form, find the section dedicated to details of tax withheld. Here, you will input the specific information from your withholding certificate. Carefully enter the certificate number and the exact amount of tax that was withheld. If you possess multiple withholding certificates, ensure you add each one individually to accurately reflect all your prepaid taxes. Before submitting, take a moment to meticulously review your entire tax return. Double-check all income figures, deductions, and especially the withholding certificate entries to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are confident, click the Submit button. You will receive an acknowledgement receipt, which you should save for your records. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.